Guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable go-to declaration in Atom Editor. So in Atom Editor I open my Ruby on Rails uh, project. So this is my controller code and this is my model code. So here I am calling a method which I written in model. So it is with the same name I may return in another file also. So in future you may forget a file name of this method. I mean to say in which file you return this method you may forget. So but Atom Editor giving a new option. I mean it's on feature for finding this method. So right click on this method and go to declaration. But most of the go to declaration is most of the editor I mean time most of the time this go to declaration is not working. So here I'm going to show you how to enable this. I mean how to find this method name to the particular file. So for that go to package, go to setting view and go to manage install packages and theme. So here search packages, go to so here we are going to install two different package in our Atom Editor. So install this go to definition and install this go to. So installation is done. So now you need to restart your Atom Editor. For that, right click on Atom Editor and click on Quiet. So again open Atom Editor. So yes, it is done. So open the controller file and right click on that and go to click on go to definition. Yes, it is. Now the method name automatically find the the method name which we written in model file, it will automatically find. So this method name I have written in this test.rb model file. So you don't want to search. In future also you may forget the file name. So no problem, right click on that and click on go to. So it will find. I'll show you another process. I'll create one RB file. So I'll copy this. Yes. So the same method name I have written in two different files. So one is dummy.rb and another one is test.rb. So now I'll show you how it will uh, find the file name. So right click on that, click on go to definition. Yes, it is. So here it will show two different file name. One is app model dummy.rb, another one is app model test.rb. So you can select which file you want to go. I will select dummy.rb, click on that, it will go to the dummy.rb. So this is the method to find the file name using of method name. Yes, it is. So thanks for watching video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.